Hi all. So in my previous video, I showed you how to import data in Power BI. Now I'm showing you how to use slicer. So basically, this is a slicer and this is a grid. So the use of slicer is you can filter data on your own. So if I want to see a data of 2005 and 2006 only, I can do it with the help of slicer. If I want to see all the years, I can see it with the help of slicer. Now, if I want to exclude data of 2009 and 10, I can do it as well with the help of slicer. So today we will see how to implement this. So I am taking a new page. Now, to use a slicer, you have to use this one. So this is a slicer. Just click it, and it will be added to your page. So basically, you can add multiple pages with the help of this plus icon. So this is my page 1, and this is my page 2. So this is a slicer. Now I want to add different years into it. So I have selected the date hierarchy. Now click on this icon. You can see two options here, date and date hierarchy. I'll select date hierarchy. Now you can see year in this. Now we will add a grid here. Now after adding a grid, I want years in my grid. So I remove quarter, month and day. So right now I can see only the year. Just give me a minute. I will increase the text size here. So yes, you can see how to increase the text size. What I have done is there are three panes here: field, format, and analytics. So I have clicked on format. Now I want to increase the text size. So click on grid and increase the text size. So here you can see I have different years, and now I'll put a revenue across them. So year and the revenue. Now this is my slicer. You can have slicer in multiple formats. You can keep it in the form of drop down. So here can see the year 2000, 2001. You can do multiple selection with the help of control button. So click control and select it. So this is a slicer. Now you can convert the drop down to the list as well. So you can select a list directly. Again, you can specify a value as well. So less than or equal to, I write a value here. I want less than or equal to 2011. So it's working. Less than or equal to 2008. Again, it is working. Again, you can have a greater than or equal to as well. Now, if you want to clear all the selections, just click on the erase icon. Now let's move towards the formatting part. So here in page 1, I have a graph. So I'll click on the grid and I'll convert it to the graph. So this is a graph. On graph, I want to see the values as well. So I'll go to the formatting. In the formatting, I'll enable the data labels. So I have enabled the data labels. I'll make it the color as black, the size as 11. Now I want the axis size to be increased as well. So I'll go to the x-axis. I'll increase the text size. I'll change the color to black. So you can see the color is changed. Now the color is gray here. I want to change the color of y-axis as well. So make sure you are in the formatting pane. So y-axis, increase the text size, change the color to black. So that's it. Now coming to the slicer. So in my page 1, I have slicer as a selector. So to convert it, I'll use a list. Now here it is showing vertical. So to convert it to the horizontal, just click on the general tab and select orientation as horizontal. So here you can see I have multiple boxes right now. Now I want to provide a title to my slicer. So what I'll do is I'll enable the title. I'll expand it and I write select year. So here you can see the title select the year. Now I'll make the color as black, set the line and size is increased, select the year. Now I want the background color as well. So what I do is I'll enable the background, I'll change the color, I'll change the color and I'll increase the transparency so that it will look better. Now I want to provide the option of select all as well as it is shown here. So to provide the option of select all, again go to the slicer. You will see the different formatting option after clicking on the slicer only. So go to the slicer. Now I want to provide option of select all. So go to the selection controls and enable select all. So here you can see that select all is enabled right now. So by default the targeting is enabled for all the visualizations. So I'll select all the years. Now I want only 1999 and 2000. So 1999 and 2000. So this is a use of slicer basically. This is how slicer works. Now I want to select all the values. Click on select all. I want values of 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you are using a control button with the help of click so that you can do the multiple selections. Thank you for watching guys. Do subscribe and share. I keep uploading more and more videos.